Go get my phone.
Right now.
They don't have your phone.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come back,
fine.
you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not
Give
resisting.
me your arm now. Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems fair.
At first, this seems like a simple request for help. But within seconds, the tone shifts. The man becomes increasingly aggressive, refusing to listen while demanding control of the situation.
Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive,
What?
and he was very nice.
Okay, listen, what does your phone look like?
My phone is a black, cold out.
Have you already paid your tab? How are you going to call the phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not going to call your phone for you, but...
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost your phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
Okay.
And he dropped it.
Two things.
Please.
One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm going to help you out. Two, you're just not going to tell me what you're going to be doing.
Please give me my phone.
Cases.
Okay?
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his
He
tab.
called. I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I was just telling
I'm
you.
not
Now
being.
you're yelling. I don't appreciate it.
No, stop. Because
You
I
stop
asked her,
yelling.
listen,
Stop
listen,
yelling.
man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you, and I asked, no, you with them, and I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talked to him.
Been talking a little bit, so I'm done with you.
No. Well, then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me. You're here for them. To protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
He already paid his
All I
tab.
want is my fucking phone.
You guys on the phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're gonna
it,
back up.
Please,
You're gonna back up.
when I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You
That's on y'all.
can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie, cause I
Have a good
got
night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face.
Not
Because
before you do.
I.
Have a good night. Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and
And now
accept
you're
my-
not back in there? Yep. They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they
I'm
would not
telling you.
steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. What I recommend doing? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are
I
you
pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very
Okay,
much so.
me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tab.
Okay. They don't have your phone. What
This
to
is not
pay.
making sense to me when
It's
I
not
use
making
tab.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But
then
she
you don't
doesn't
have
give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem. It's you. We're trying to help you. You're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How did you find someone else to play with
Hey,
other than us? Have a good
get
night.
the
You
fuck
put
out
your
my
hand
face.
up.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this is
trying
gonna
to be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
we're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They
night.
don't have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because
Do
you
not
paid with
go
your
back
phone.
That's the fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Go get my phone.
Right now.
They don't have your phone.
Trespass.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come back,
fine.
you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just do it for
Trespass. That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch. Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut up.
Yes.
Give me the documentation.
Hey,
Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, wipe me
Give me
right.
all of your information. So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck I gotta go. I'm a cleaned up listener. Give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. And I can,
35636.
give me your no. I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck when the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. Give me your card and your documentation. Please. Give me your card. Give me your I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not
Give
resisting.
me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched the officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched the
Gonna
officer.
roll this way.
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up for the
Station will call 440.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information. No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
Downtown.
There you go.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I get? Y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging app.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
Search for card and
Once
information.
she started getting the paperwork for you,
She didn't do
So
nothing.
now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius? Is your name Darius?
No, all I asked
Your
is
name
for card and
Darius?
information.
Is your name Darius?
All I asked is for card and
Is your
information.
name Darius?
I'm just asking.
Your debit card that you were looking for was
Yes.
found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about a no bad card.
You did,
I
sir.
asked him, no, I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking
My
for was in
phone,
your pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Okay, it's not in there, bud. We told you that.
It is. All you gotta do is
You wanted to
call.
do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked is
ID
for
is
card
in
and
here.
information.
I went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish searching.
Are you guys gonna film me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I asked for card and information. Card and information. I'm not. What the fuck?
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked her for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
All right,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing games.
pocket. I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground. You
anything.
understand?
It's going to be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right
183,
here.
169,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you. Well, there's stuff on that side. That's why. Hey, just do it on this side. This side. This side. Well, here. There's stuff on that side. I got it. I got it. No, I got it. That's fine. I just put it on passenger usually. That's all.
All right. Have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't
Okay.
did nothing wrong. All I
All right.
did was ask some questions.
You debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Smooth, boy.
I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems clear. Approximately half gram.
Step up.
No trying.
What started as a minor dispute quickly escalates into multiple charges, including assault and drug possession. Officers later confirmed the item he was looking for was already on him, turning the situation into a costly mistake.